Dear students, happy morning to you all. Already we saw this prose when the trees walked. Today we are going to see the book exercise for this prose. Okay, my dear students? Take the most appropriate option. According to the author, the tendril was moving towards grandfather because it wanted to be near grandfather. Grandmother had walked the peepal tree cut down because it was knocking down the bricks of the outhouse. Grandfather helped grandma out with the gardening because he wanted to grow flowers to attract butterflies. The author did not want to plant saplings in the forest because no one would come to see them. Grandfather felt planting trees would help the forest because the animals and birds would find it easier to live. When the author returned from England to Dehradun, he found grandfather's dream had come true because the forest covered the island. Read the story on your own. A story map is the main events of the story given in a flowchart. First, you see here, grandfather built a bungalow and planted trees all around. After that, during the rains, grandfather walked into the jungle with saplings. They found a small rocky island and grandfather planted a number of saplings on the island. During the Second World War, the author was sent away to a boarding school. Some years later, the author returned and went to the riverbed. He looked around and noticed the trees planted by them and the island became a green paradise. Shall we go to the question answer now? When did the garden become a happy place for the author? When the author was all alone in the garden, he felt lonely. But when his grandfather joined him, the garden became a happy place for him. What are the two reasons the author gives for the plants moving towards grandfather? Plants move in search of light and warmth, but they also moved because they wanted to be near grandfather. Why does the writer think that the peepal tree is a great show off? Even when there is no breeze, the leaves of the peepal tree spin like tops. So the writer thinks that the peepal tree is a great show off. Why do we need trees? List 4 reasons that grandfather gives. The animals and the birds in the forest and need trees for more food and shelter. Trees keep the desert away. They attract rain and they prevent banks of rivers from being washed away. Man need trees for fruit, flowers, leaf and seed. Why did the author help his grandfather plant trees? The thought of a world without trees became a nightmare to the author. So he helped his grandfather plant trees. What made grandfather plant saplings on the rocky island? Grandfather saw a small mango tree growing on the rocky island. So grandfather thought that if a small mango tree could grow there, other trees could grow easily on the island. This made him plant saplings on the rocky island. What did grandfather feel about trees growing in the house? Trees growing in a house will cause the house to fall down. They may lead to the collapse of the roof. Soon, grandfather felt that trees growing on buildings should be removed. Why did the author leave town? The author left town to go to the riverbed and see the trees he had planted long ago. How did grandfather's dream come true? The trees planted by grandfather had multiplied. Smaller trees, wild plants and grasses had sprung up under their protection. Thus grandfather's dream came true. Describe what the author saw when he went back to the island. The author saw the red blooms of the coral blossom. The island was like a small green paradise. He saw some squirrels, a quail, and a peasant there. The trees planted by him seemed to recognize him. There were small trees, wild plants, and grasses under the trees. The trees he had planted long ago had multiplied now. Did you understand all the question answer, my dear students? Thank you all.